Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn or we are going to talk about the LinkedIn newsletter, how to create a LinkedIn newsletter on your profile, or if you don't have newsletter option, how you can get it. So as of now, LinkedIn did not distribute to all the newsletter option, but if you have the newsletter option, the LinkedIn will notify you. If you don't have notification in LinkedIn, so you can double check. Okay, how you can check whether you have newsletter option in LinkedIn. So let's start with the video. So guys, here we can see I'm on my LinkedIn profile. So before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So this it's opening now. So newsletter, newsletter option, maybe you have in, on your on this tab. So I don't have any option right here. Okay, so how you can find, how you can double check that whether you have newsletter option or not. So just go to the right article. You have to publish article. If you don't have publish article, still now just publish any article from here and just publish it. After publish one to article, you will get a newsletter option here in the top of your, menu, like create newsletter and all. Okay, so that is this video for you to save time to looking for newsletter option on your LinkedIn. So that is all of today. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.